Hi everybody, I hope you're doing super good. So this video is going to be really special for each one of you because अगर आप professional career में हो तो आप LinkedIn का importance तो जानते ही होंगे अब तक. That LinkedIn has actually transformed the traditional resume format, and you can see that LinkedIn is a digital representation of our professional career, what work we have done, what are our achievements, and so many other things. And recently I came across a research जिसमें उन्होंने LinkedIn के 5000 users पर survey और analysis किया था. And I'm gonna share the insights which I came across through that research work. And to be honest, there were around 10 to 12 points which I found really relevant. And with this video, I'm gonna share only 2. And if you found this really helpful and you want the part 2 of the video, I will upload that. You just have to comment part 2 and I will come with the part 2 of the video so you can utilize more tips and facts to enhance your LinkedIn profile and eventually your professional career. Also, by end of this video, you will also get a chance to get a bonus tip. And what is in bonus tip? You have to stay tuned to the end of the video. And now let's get back to the video. So LinkedIn पे ना by far there are 1 billion users across worldwide. So to make best use of the LinkedIn platform, you have to be really strong with your LinkedIn profile. And whenever anyone, your recruiter or client search, जो उसको सबसे पहले दिखता है that is profile photo and a headline. अगर आप कुछ पोस्ट भी करते हो तो उसमें भी आपको सिर्फ एक फोटो दिखता है और एक हेडलाइन दिखती है, ठीक है. एंड most of the people usually ignore that headline वाला part. There have so many videos जो उन्होंने profile photo पे बहुत ज़्यादा emphasis कर लिया है, so I'm not going to emphasize more on the profile photo. That you very well understand, थोड़ा clear होना चाहिए, थोड़ा professional looking होना चाहिए. That is very common now, ठीक है. But what we almost forgot is about the headline section. Now 40, and you will be surprised to know that in that particular survey where the researcher analyzed over 5000 LinkedIn profiles, उसमें only 20% of the LinkedIn user thought to update their headline section. Okay, that is very surprising. और अगर आप usually update नहीं करते हो ना अपना headline section, तो उसमें default setting होती है कि जो भी आपका profession है, जो भी आपका current profession है, वो वहाँ पे headline आ जाता है, ठीक है. And we usually ignore that. And in the same research, it was found that 46% of the respondent felt that headline was more important than the experience section, which says only 30%, and about section जिनको लगता था, and only 24% of the people thought that about section is also important. So it is very obvious that headline plays a major role. Now हमारी headline के 200 characters होते हैं और उसको आपको strategically use करना होता है to enhance your ranking in the search result of the LinkedIn, ठीक है. मतलब कोई भी अगर recruiter है या कोई भी client है और वो कुछ भी keyword से search करता है, for example product manager search करता है और आपकी headline में है ही नहीं वो product manager का keyword, so you will not be ranked higher in the search result. Okay, so you have to effectively utilize that headline section. Now if you're wondering कि आप headline section में क्या डाल सकते हो, आपको कैसा होना चाहिए, so stop, I will help you out there also. So basically आपके जो headline section होना चाहिए, which should clearly emphasize that what you do, what you want to do, and what best you can bring on the table. For example, so I'm gonna lay down some do's and don'ts for the LinkedIn profile, and I will also give you an example from my own profile section. Okay, so you have to highlight the value you bring through the post achievements or result. Also, you have to make sure that you differentiate yourself from everyone else. So include keywords related to your skill or industry or type of people you want to work with. Then you can also share your hobbies or community involvement that add value to your profile. And example, in my section, I have highlighted the relevant achievements. For example, I have mentioned that I am a TEDx speaker. I have also mentioned keywords according to my profile or the profession I am in. For example, I have mentioned data and technology because I am a tech enthusiast. Also, I have mentioned that my current position is manager. So if someone is looking out for some job profile for the manager, so I would be ranked higher in the search result. So this is example which I want to show you based on my profile. Now what you don't have to do in the keyword is you don't have to throw too many emojis in the headline. I have seen so many people who just put so many emojis कि जो भी काम कर रहे हैं, मतलब अगर AI से related है तो bot लगा देंगे. So this is not highly encouraged, at least from my own side. So you don't have to throw so many emojis, you don't have to throw so many buzzwords. For example, if you're critical, think are good keywords to be put in your resume, but not from a headline perspective. I would not suggest, because no one is going to search as a recruiter or a client that who is critical thinker. They usually search based on your skill. So you can mention Python or Java, but not a critical thinker, according to me. And avoid using abbreviation. which is relevant to your industry, because not everybody would be familiar with your abbreviations which you are using. For example, AI. AI is well known. Everybody knows it is artificial intelligence. Then you don't have to run everything on the same line. For example, Java, Python, you have to use separators, या तो comma हो या फिर parenthesis or anything you like, but you have to break the statement. Then the major thing which you don't have to do is settle for the default headline. So you have to change the headline, and by far if you have not changed the headline, so just now go to your LinkedIn profile and change the headline section, and please stay up to date with the location, because most of the search result recruiters or hiring managers also see कि आप किस location में हो. So make sure your location is also updated. For example, if you are doing a remote work, ठीक है, आप अपने होम टाउन में हो, but your company is based out of Pune or Bangalore, so please mention Bangalore. Now coming to the second most important tip, that is about section. So professionals, if you are either looking for connection or job role, this is a section which is going to change your search result, okay? And you will be amazed to know in that survey, 32% of the people read full section, and only 12% of those respondent read only first 3 lines. And if they seek कि इसमें कुछ interesting वो बता रहे हैं अपने बारे में, so they read the full section of the about section. So you have to make your about section very intriguing or captivating, so that they are engaged for the first 3 lines. And if you are able to engage their attention for the first 3 liners, then you can enhance your about section accordingly. So आपको about section में क्या लिखना है? You have to share your story. Consider it is a personal pitch. कि आपको कोई जो रिक्रूटर है, तो हाउ विल यू पिच योर सेल्फ, ठीक है? एंड डोंट मेक इट जॉब स्पेसिफिक, कि हमारे जो रिज्यूमे हो गया ना, वो तो हो गया हमारा जॉब स्पेसिफिक. अगर आप बहुत सारे रोल के लिए अप्लाई कर रहे हो, मतलब डेटा साइंटिस्ट, डेटा इंजीनियर या फिर AI के लिए भी अप्लाई कर रहे हो, तो आप उनको अकॉर्डिंगली बनाते हो, ठीक है? बट आपको इधर जो आपका अबाउट सेक्शन है वो थोड़ा जनरलाइज फॉर्म में रखना है, and you should share more of your personal facts. And there is also a fun fact that 56% of the respondents like to read your fun facts or your personal facts. So do make sure that you put some personal facts according to you or your relevant industry in your about section. Now if you're wondering कि आपको about section में क्या क्या लिख सकते हो, so basically you have 2600 characters in the about section, ठीक है? So first 3 line आपको बहुत captivating लगानी है, क्योंकि as you know by far कि 12% of the respondent always said कि वो first 3 लाइन ही देखते हैं, और अगर उन्हें engaging लगता है तो वो पूरा सेक्शन पढ़ते हैं, ठीक है? तो आप उन फर्स्ट 3 लाइन में क्या लिख सकते हैं? यू कैन स्टार्ट विद एन engaging question. For example, what if I told you that every click, transaction and digital interaction leave behind a trail more valuable than gold, and I am the modern day prospector who knows exactly how to mine it. So this can be your captivating or opening hook for the about section if you are into data world, ठीक है? एंड अगर आपने 600 कैरेक्टर्स में सपोज अपना हुक डाल दिया, उसके बाद आपके पास बचते हैं 2000 वर्ड्स, और उसमें आप क्या लिखोगे? सो उसमें यू कैन राइट अकॉर्डिंग कि आप क्या करते हो, आप क्या करना चाहते हो, एंड व्हाट यू कैन ब्रिंग ऑन द टेबल. सो ये आपके अबाउट सेक्शन में होना चाहिए. And you can consider writing what is that you do, what you want to do, what are the specialities and skills that set you apart, what industry have you worked in, who is the target audience for what you do, and what you do for them, and what do you do to your career progresses, and what do you want to do as your career progresses. So these are the questions which you can target in the about section. For example, you can start that as a data engineer who transform raw data into strategic insights, I have learned that every data tells a story waiting to be unlocked. My passion lies in bridging the gap between complex data landscapes and actionable business intelligence. So this is an example which you can use in your profile, in your about section. Now I also want to share quick tips for your about section. So provide data and share concrete examples of success to back up your result and provide your expertise. Secondly, be very authentic. Don't just copy paste someone about section into yours, because that's not gonna work. You have to be really authentic, because that what attracts other people to read about your section. So it needs to be very subjective. Then you have to break up large blocks of text to make the section more readable. So there are some formatting options in this section that you can access using the right click of your mouse to help make your narrative more visually appealing. Now don't forget to end with your contact information. Unless someone is directly connected with you, they may not be able to see contact information on your profile. So if you want your clients or recruiting manager to directly reach out to you, so you can opt to update your contacts in the about section itself. So coming to the bonus tip, by far you understand the importance of LinkedIn profile. So in the bonus tip, I will be providing free LinkedIn consultation. Jisme I will go through your LinkedIn profile. We will sit together and see how we can enhance your LinkedIn profile and eventually in increasing your chance in the job market, networking, and also to rank you better in the search result. So uske liye you just have to type and roll in the comment section and also simultaneously fill the Google form, which you can see in the description. So don't forget to avail that bonus tip so you can enhance your LinkedIn profile. So that was all which I wanted to share with this video. And actually there are so many other facts and data which I wanted to share with you all, but I was not sure if you would be interested in these kind of content on LinkedIn. And if you found this video helpful, so do let me know by commenting helpful, and I will release a part 2 of the video if you found this really relevant. I wish that this video could be of any help to you, because personally I found these data and research really intriguing and really helpful. And if you have not already subscribed to the channel, so do subscribe the channel, because it highly motivates me to make more content like this to help you out and so that you can become the best version of yourself. And I see you in the next video. Till then, take care. All the best.